5. 1/16 scale Antonov and Tu-25. The Antonov and Tu-25 Mriya, Ukrainian, Tu-25. It was a strategic airlift cargo aircraft designed and produced by the Antonov Design Bureau in the Soviet Union. It was originally developed during the 1980s as an enlarged derivative of the Antonov An-124 airlifter for the express purpose of transporting Buran orbiters. On December 21, 1988, the An-225 performed its maiden flight. Towards the turn of the century, An-225 was reintroduced for commercial operations, carrying oversized payloads for the operator Antonov Airlines. With a maximum takeoff weight of 640 tons, the An-225 held several records, including heaviest aircraft ever built and largest wingspan of any operational aircraft. However, the only completed An-225 was destroyed in the Battle of Antonov Airport during the 2022 Russian invasion of Ukraine. This 1/16 scale Antonov An-225 has 5.8 meters wingspan and 5.3 meter length. Its takeoff weight is 93.5 kg. This RC Bester has two Bihotech JB-180 jet turbine engines and 490mm EDF. Michael Speer is the pilot of this 93.5 kg big boy toy. Number 4. 1/2 scale RC turbine jet Saab Gripen. The Saab JAS-39 Gripen is a light single-engine supersonic multi-role fighter aircraft manufactured by the Swedish aerospace and defense company Saab AB. The Gripen has a delta wing and canard configuration with relaxed stability design and fly-by-wire flight controls. XXXL RC scale model turbine jet takeoff weight is 100 kilograms, it has 8 m length. Frank Schroeder cost nearly €50,000, approximately $56,000 to build this plane. However, it disintegrated in the mid-air during high-speed low-pass side flight. Removing too much structure weight to minimum the takeoff weight may be the cause of this catastrophe. Number 3. 1/13 scale A380. The Airbus A380 might not have been a commercial success, but it still won its way into the hearts of faithful geeks. With 2 full decks, the jet is able to seat up to 800 people in a single-class seating arrangement. The economic downturn of 2008 struck. Airlines realized that they could fly more efficient aircraft to bypass the hubs altogether or carry slightly smaller loads with the efficiency of 2 engines instead of 4. Particularly after the pandemic, the A380 fell out of favor. Even with the Real Thai Airways having retired their A380s back in 2020, there is still one way to see one fly. Christopher Fenkel from Austria built a 1/13 scale A380 in Thai colors. In the video below, his 102.7 kilograms, 6.13 meter wide and 5.8 meter length giant creation takes flight. Christopher spent 3 years/1,700 hours to build this super RC jet. It has 12 liters fuel tank and 4 Jetsmont 166 turbine engines. Number 2. 1/3.3 scale B25 Mitchell. The North American B25 Mitchell is an American medium bomber that was introduced in 1941. It is named in honor of Brigadier General William Mitchell, a pioneer of U.S. military aviation. The B-25 served in every theater of World War II, and after the war ended, many remained in service, operating across 4 decades. Here this 148 kg Mega RC bomber is created by Roland Sabachis, Michael Sabachis, and Daniel Sabachis in 5.5 years. It is a 6-meter wingspan and 4.87-meter length. Two 400cc Moki 5-cylinder 4-stroke radial engines drag this big RC plane fly smoothly in the sky. I believe you can hardly tell whether it's a real one when it flies above your head. Number 1. 1/6 scale RC Jet Concord. Concord is a retired Anglo-French supersonic airliner. It is a tailless aircraft design with a narrow fuselage permitting 4 abreast seating for 92 to 128 passengers, an ogival delta wing and a droop nose for landing visibility. Constructed out of aluminium, it was the first airliner to have analog fly-by-wire flight controls. The airliner could maintain a supercruise up to Mach 2.04, 2,170 km per hour at an altitude of 60,000 feet. Concord still kept the faster commercial airliner speed record after it retired 20 years. Here as the biggest RC plane is this video. This 16-scale RC Jet Concord's takeoff weight is 149 kilograms, just under the maximum limit as defined by the CAA of 150 kg. It has incredible 10-meter length, 1.85-meter height and 4-meter wingspan. For X-Jet Cat P300 Pro turbine engines provide 120 kilograms thrust power to leave the ground. Otto Wittelreuther spent 1 year on computer construction planning, 2 years of building fuselage and wings BU carbon fiber sandwich. If you like my video, please subscribe.